Good things come to those who wait, but they'll still cost money. The world's first dynamic split-seat saddle for all types of cyclists is finally here, after years in development and a couple of missed deadlines. That record-setting saddle is called vabsRider from vabsRider, and it's a product unlike any other on the cycling market. Its goal is to deliver ultimate comfort to cyclists of all types, ages, physical condition, regardless of the bike they ride or how often they ride. The plan is to achieve said goal by overhauling the concept of a saddle completely, from static to dynamic. In much simpler words, where a regular saddle is rigid to varying degrees against the body, this one moves as you move. For all the bad 2020 did, it also did some good. Faced with the impossibility of using public transport, commuters without a daily driver opted for two-wheelers, be they traditional bicycles, e-bikes, scooters, or mopeds. This boosted the e-bike industry to an unprecedented degree, and it's still riding that high. Australian engineer Robin McCung believes it's about time the saddle was upgraded, to keep up with the trends on this segment. He actually started working on the idea for a dynamic saddle in 2016, after noticing how years of casual riding were starting to take a toll on his body. If bike frames and components keep getting better, why shouldn't the saddle too? For years, he worked on the idea on his own, but in more recent times, he came across reliable partners to get him, and the vabsRider, closer to that end goal. He founded vabsRider, where vabsRider means serene calmness and BSC stands for Bicycle Seat Company, and partnered with D2 Design and Development, and later on, with Whistle Design Group, who brought his vision to reality. Premium Taiwan-based manufacturer Chainray came into the picture more recently. When we first saw the product in the summer of 2024, it was out of prototype stage but still not ready for production. In fact, while development was completed, details and a pricing estimate were missing while McCung and the team still worked on the final details. They seem to have been ironed out because the vabsRider is now live on crowdfunding. With 23 days to go into the campaign, it's already surpassed its initial goal, 10 times over. With a promise like this is the future of cycling comfort, it's not surprising it got this kind of interest. What makes the vabsRider special is the fact that it's comprised of two different seats, adjustable for both angle and width, so they fit all riders regardless of gender and body shape, that move on a virtual axis by means of a roller assembly rolling on aluminum rails. Because the seats are mobile, sitting down no longer puts pressure on the sit bones but rather on the thigh bones, which means any ride, no matter how long or difficult, will be completely pain-free. According to the company, this mechanism and its benefits have been validated by third-party pressure mapping studies, following the development of hundreds of prototypes where ergonomics, durability, and safety were improved. vabsRider offers lifetime warranty on the rails and promises sustainable and durable materials for the seats but doesn't get too specific about them. In terms of safety, the company says they've eliminated all pinch points on the rails thanks to a stopper system, so it's not just your butt that's safe from pain but every other part of your body as well. The vabsRider weighs 2.3 kilograms and is compatible with all types of bikes, traditional bicycles, e-bikes, cargo bikes, touring, you name it, thanks to 3-seat post-diameter options. Maximum weight capacity is 100 kilograms, which is about the same weight a standard electric city bike will carry, not including its own weight. The distance between the two seats can be adjusted manually, so riders can pick the most comfortable position, according to their body size. Prior to the crowdfunding launch, vabsRider won the Product Design Award and the Engineering Excellence Award at the 2024 Good Design Awards. That part is meant to bring you extra confidence that this is a real product, with real science behind it. You're going to need to have all the advantages highlighted if you're even to consider backing it, and not necessarily because we're talking about crowdfunding, which is inherently risky. This product is what you'd call an investment. MSRP is $1,461 Australian dollars, with really early birds being able to secure one for $978 Australian dollars, not including shipping, which ranges from $40 to $200, depending on the country of destination. vabsRider is planning to start production in mid-October, with the first shipments going out in November, for a December delivery date. If you're the kind to think well ahead of time, this could be a perfect Christmas stocking stuffer.